Hi everybody and welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. You'll notice my hair is down and long and styled. And no, it is not real. They are clip-in hair extensions that I just bought and am using for the first time. I hope you like that I look fancy for you today. Also too, if you like my eye look that I have going on, be on the lookout for a tutorial coming soon. So let's get started. So in all my videos, just about all my videos, I'll show you a product and I'll use a product and be like, I got this in a beauty subscription at some point. Well, there was a time that I was subscribed to Birchbox, Ipsy, and the Allure Beauty Box, I believe. So I kind of canceled all the subscriptions and stuff and to take a break and kind of use up some of the stuff that had accumulated. Well, I decided it was time to re-sign up and I chose to do Ipsy again. It's a little bit more expensive than it was when I had it last year or the year before that, whenever it was. And it was like 10 bucks and now it's like 13, but it's all good. So this is my first Ipsy bagging video. So this is the November 2019 Ipsy bag. I am excited to open it. So let's open it. So they have since last year, they have kind of changed their mailing package. It's kind of like a bubblegum pink and it says Ipsy on it. And last year it was like a metallic pink. And I don't really know which one I like better. I always liked the metallic pink, but I like the bubblegum pink too. So that's neither here nor there though. That doesn't really matter. It's what's on the inside that counts. So let's check out the inside. So the first thing is a makeup brush. I get so excited about makeup brushes because especially now that I am doing these videos and I also wear makeup for my job as a performer and I don't like to travel too much with my makeup. I like to have some there, some here. So a makeup brush is always exciting. And I have a hard time buying them. I don't know why. It's just like a weird thing. But so right in the bag is this brush. It's GG Gorgeous. The Gorgeous Contour Brush. Turn it this way so you can see it. And then they got that. And it's kind of got this like netting on it to keep it, I guess, kind of in shape. That's funny. Wow, that's the brush. It's really soft and it's just, yeah, I could see where that would be good for, yeah, dark contour, light contour. So yeah, again, always good to have a brush. You just, you really can't have too many. So awesome. Now let's get the bag out. It's a little zebra print bag, which is really cute. It's got a little tassel on it. And it's got kind of like a coppery zipper, which I love. So it's cute, it's really cute. So yeah, it's got one of those cards in there. I never usually read it, I don't guess. So we'll just set that aside. This is one of the items I chose. It gives you, how every month, if you order these subscription bags, then they give you a choice that if you want to pick an item, you can. And I usually do. Unless I can't decide, then I'll just let them do it. But I chose this IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It's a transforming moisturizing super cream. And I actually have their neck cream, the Confidence in a Neck Cream. I love skincare. And it doesn't have as much in it as it looks like, but it's kind of got this weird thing going on in the bottom. So that means it doesn't have as much as it looks like it does. But it smells good. It smells really just fresh and clean. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. It's for all skin types, anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate. So I am excited to try this. Ooh, another exciting thing, more skincare. So it's First Aid Beauty. I've used a couple of their products before. And this is their Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. It's de-stress, relieve, and nourish your skin. Safe for sensitive skin. It comes in one of these little droppers, so it's like an oil, which I love using oils on my face. It kind of smells like lavender. It does have a very organic smell, but nothing offensive. It's actually doesn't really seem to have a heavy scent. I don't know if that'll change when I put it on my skin, but yeah, excited to try that. It's got a little dropper, and there's a good amount of product in there. We'll see. So the next product is Dome Beauty, which I've never heard of. Cheek Envy Pressed Powder Blush in English Rose. So it came in a box. Ooh, pretty. Really, really nice. Great size. Just a very pretty soft color that really seems like it would work for just about anybody's skin tone, especially like in a light to medium range. Might not work as good for olive or darker skin, but generally speaking, it looks like something a lot of people can use. It's very silky and it goes on very smooth. So yeah, I'm very, see there it is right there, you can see it. Has kind of a blushing from within kind of a look. So very excited to try that. Okay, there is one more item in here, and it is from Nomad, which I've heard before. I've gotten several things from them, from this brand. It's Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun Bronzer and Contour. It's a blendable and buildable rich chocolate matte bronzer, which I love. It's got all the good stuff in it, none of the bad, apparently. Well, let's open it up and look. And it comes in the traditional Nomad. Everything I've ever gotten from Nomad has had this like little black container. And a lot of what I get is tiny, like a quarter size. So this is a bigger sized thing than I've gotten. And it's looks very non-intrusive, not too dark, not too light. They know that my skin tone is kind of a medium. It's very light. I don't know that I would contour with it as much as I really would just use this for a bronzer, really for a very natural look. Like this could really very well be like my natural bronzer just for every day. So very pretty. And I think, let's take a look at the blush and the bronzer together. They really look very pretty together. So I will definitely have these in a tutorial soon. Another thing that I went in to do, and I think this is gonna be very helpful for me as I go into the future with my Ipsy subscriptions, I went back in and I made sure I changed all of my preferences. So I felt like last year I got a lot of highlighters and I got a lot of nude lipsticks and I got a lot of mascara and certain things, and I went and I changed all my preferences. Just so today's, I feel is probably the most tailored to me out of all of them that I've ever gotten. So make sure you go in there and really think about what you want and what you don't want, and make sure you get it tailored perfectly to you. And I think that's the key to really being happy with these beauty subscriptions. Comment below and let me know what you got in yours this month and how you like yours this month. I love these beauty subscriptions. I think they're just such a fun idea. And so anyways, yes, comment below and let me know what you've gotten and what you think of yours. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Also like this video, share this video, and also make sure you check out my social media that will all be linked below, and I will see you next time. Bye.